Hello my dear CIS scholars. Today we will do English grammar. In that we will see comprehension, that is chapter 21. One day you and your friends went for a picnic and there you all decided to play a game in which one person will tell a story and others have to answer the related questions. When your friend will start telling a story to all of you, then what you all will do? You all will try to listen the story as carefully as possible. You will try to understand the story because your friend will going to ask you all the questions which are related to that story. So kids, this is the basic idea of solving comprehension poem or passages. The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you listen or what you read. In comprehension, the main task is to answer the questions asked from the poem or passages. So now in this session, we will see one poem and after that we are going to solve the questions regarding to that poem. Now this is our poem, My Pet Dinosaur. My pet dinosaur was getting thinner, and so I brought him home for dinner. He ate as fast as he was able. He ate the food. He ate the table. He ate the fridge. He ate the chair. He ate my favorite teddy bear. He is a very naughty pet. He even ate my TV set. Now let us see the question answers based on the poem The Pet Dinosaur. Tick the things the pet dinosaur ate. So kids, you have to tick those things that pet dinosaur ate. Okay? Book, pen, no. He didn't eat that. Table, yes. So just stick it here. Then chair, just stick it. Then TV, teddy bear and fridge. So table, chair, TV, teddy bear and fridge. The pet dinosaur ate these things. Question number B. What is the title of the poem? It says all of you know the title of the poem, right? Yes, the title of the poem is My Pet Dinosaur. Then question number C. Which animal would you like to have as a pet? So here you have to write which animal you like to have as a pet. Okay? It may be dog, it may be cat. Okay? Whatever you like, you just write it as an answer. Then question number D. Draw the animal that you would like to have as a pet in your notebook. So if you like dog as a pet, you have to draw the dog picture. Okay? Kids, now let's read this passage. At the beach. It is a lovely morning. The children are at the beach. They are playing. Sana and Manu are in the water. They are jumping over the waves. Deepa is making a sandcastle. Their pet dog Moti wants to help her. He has brought her a bucket full of sand. Thank you, Moti, says Deepa. Sham and Jamal are playing with the ball. All of them are enjoying themselves and having a lot of fun. Soon, all the friends will go to Jamal's house. Jamal's mother is preparing lunch for all of them. Now let's do these question answers based on this passage. Tick the correct answer. The children are at the beach. market or park? Yes, the correct answer is beach. Sana and Manu are playing with the sand in the water with the ball. So kids, what they are playing with? Yes, Sana and Manu are in the water. Deepa is building a house, car or sandcastle. Yes, the correct answer is sandcastle. The children are going to Jamal's, Sana's and Sham's house. Whose house children are going? Yes, Jamal's house. Then question B. Write one thing that you like to do at the beach. So kids, here again the answer will come different, as all of you like different things to enjoy at the beach. Some of you like to play with the water. Some of you like to make a sandcastle like Deepa. So here, what you like to do at the beach, you have to write that as an answer. Then question number C. Draw a picture of you on a beach in your notebook and color it. So kids, all of these questions you have to write in the notebook.